Hi everyone, conversations are the future of our profession. No machine, no app can conduct conversations, nor will it be able to do it in the long years to come. My name is Jedrek, and this year I'm running a workshop in conversation questions. Just when everyone thought that conversation classes are the easiest type of classes which don't need much preparation or skill, I'm going to refocus your attention on the importance of conversation questions. Questions are the beating heart of every conversation class. They constitute a large part of what I call the conversation experience, that is the feeling during the class, after the class, and right before the next class. They also shape our relationships with students. We know that there is a constant risk of getting too buddy-buddy and losing our teaching powers. My workshop is going to show you how to design conversation questions that are interesting, fun to answer, 21st century, warm, but which keep professional distance and help us do our job the best we can. Expect learning the principles of professional conversation questions and crafting many of them ready to test on the following Monday in your class. It's workshop in conversation questions on Sunday, right before the closing plenary. Thanks a lot. See you there.